Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. I'm back again with the stock market updates where we will be discussing about the US inflation data. Further, we will be talking about the Nifty 50 breakout as market was able to sustain above the level of 17,500 today. I have Dow Jones Industrial Average live data with me along with the MRF and Renuka Sugar results. So before starting the video, I want to give you a disclaimer that this is not a recommendation for you to make entry or exit in a particular stock or options in Nifty. I will be telling you my findings, what I have seen in the market in last couple of years, and what is the best thing which can happen to the market right now after seeing the US inflation coming down from the levels of 9.1% to 8.5%. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe the channel. Let's begin. So the CPI inflation rate is finally falling, much more than expected. Dow Jones jumps. So it was expected that the CPI inflation data will come down, but it was not expected that it will have a sharp fall of 8.5% from the level of 9.1% in June. So because of this particular data and because of this particular news, there is a huge upside seen in the US market. Definitely this data came later when the Indian market was closed. So the impact of this particular news or this particular data in Indian market will be shown tomorrow. So further, if you will see the trading of Dow Jones, you can see that the Dow Jones is 504 points above and it has given a huge breakout. You will see here that it has given a huge breakout from the level of 33,200, and the 200 days moving average now becomes the support for Dow Jones Industrial Average. Similarly, I believe that this particular data or this particular news or the moment which Dow Jones is having right now will eventually help our Indian market or Nifty 50 index to go further up from the levels of 17,500 to the level of 17,800 and 18,000 in coming future. Yes, so talking about the today's market, like how Nifty 50 closed, you can see that Nifty 50 closed at the level of 17,534 rupees. So basically, again, the market didn't move much upward or downward. As you can see that there has been a range of 17,442 to 17,566 approximately. And the Nifty formed a very nice long wick candle. Yes, this is a dragonfly candle. What does it mean is that the people are ready to buy Nifty from bottom level. That's why the market is going up and giving closing above the level of 17,500. Now the major impact or the one big reason why I believe this, that the market is able to sustain the level of 17,500 is again positive FIIs data. And talking about the FIIs data, again they did a buying of 1,061 crore rupees in Indian market, which again shows their belief that Indian market can go further up from the levels of 17,500. So I will suggest you, if you want to enter in Nifty or if you want to enter in some good stocks in Nifty 50, then it is a right time to enter the market, as 17,500 can become a major support in coming months. Definitely, if you want to wait, you can wait for tomorrow, because tomorrow can be the decider day for the Indian market, as tomorrow can be a day where Nifty gives a proper breakout candle or makes a proper breakout candle above the level of 17,500 rupees. So the major news today Indian market was that Indian market or the India to stop carbon credit exports until the climate goals are met. Yes, this was the news which came out on 8th August, but the market was closed on 9th. So the impact was seen today in the market, where the stocks which were into carbon credit trading or exporting majorly had seen a huge correction. Well, yes, if you will see that there was a negative impact on a stock like EKI Energy. Sorry for this. So yes, there was a negative impact on a stock like EKI Energy, where you can see that the stock fell 17% in a single day. Yes, the stock is trading at a price of 1748 right now, and the stock PE is 10.6. So this is one company which was growing really fast in last few years. As you can see in this particular graph of a EKI Energy, that this stock in last 3 years rose from the level of 49 rupees to the level of 3114 rupees, which are massive returns in comparison to 3 year. The balance sheet looks sound and very fundamental for this particular company. As you can see that on yearly basis, they have been able to increase their sales from 1 to 2 crore to 1800 crore in March 2022. Yes, it's a positive sign that the company is showing massive growth. That's why the share price is rising very rapidly. And if you will see that this company is able to maintain the operating profit in a positive way, and they are not only able to maintain it positive but also increase by multiple folds in March 2022. The net profit for the company is also increasing, and the company is expected to do better in coming futures, and I hope the same thing will happen. You can see the compound profit growth for this particular company in a span of 3 years. It has given a compound profit growth of 370%, which is massive. Similarly, for the sale growth of 844% till date, or in 3 years it is 350%. So I like this company, and I have been invested in this particular company. My average level is very high from where the price is trading right now, and I'm planning to hold this particular stock further. If you have the same stock and if you are stuck in this stock, then I will suggest you, if you are looking for a short-term perspective, then you should like exit half of the quantities, and you should look to average this particular stock at the level of 1600 to 1500. Yes. Now I want to discuss the Renuka Sugar stock, as this was one of the stock which I recommended, or like which I have given in stock below 100 rupees to look out. And I believe that this is one of the company that again has shown huge growth potential despite the inflation, despite the commodity pricing going high. As you can see that there has been a rise in their revenue, and from last year of 795 crore to 1919 crore, and I believe that that this company can further go up from this level. So in comparison to the March 2022 quarter, there has been only flat revenues, and on the basis of, you will see that the net profit, there has been a loss of 103 crore, which was approximately 228 crore on year basis. But they have been able to narrow the loss margin again, which is a good sign. But in comparison to March 2022, the stock made a loss of 100 crore approximately. That's why one of the reason why today Renuka Sugar seen a fall in the stock market. So yes, Renuka Sugar opened on a gap down. As you can see that it opened at around the levels of 45, and further it crashed to the level of 44 today. And after 44, it gave a up move till 46 and gave a closing at 44.80 after losing 5.4% in today's market. Well, I will suggest you, if you have bought this particular stock, as I have already been invested in the stock, I am going to hold this particular stock. If by any chance you get this stock at the level of 40 rupees, I am going to average out my stocks. I'm going to put some more money in this particular stock, and I'm going to hold this for coming years or in coming quarters. The next big news today was MRF result, and the MRF didn't provide a good result, due to which MRF stocks seen a correction today, and if you can see that MRF Q1 consolidated profit containing operating dips to 25% to 124 crore. So what exactly here happened is that due to the rise in the material cost and everything, steel prices and everything affected MRF Q1 result, which ultimately hamper or affected their operations profit, which resulted into the lower income or lower profit of the company. So the chart for the MRF states like this, as the company corrected almost 5% today. Yes, it corrected 5% today, and I believe that it can further correct to the levels of 78,000 to 80,000 in coming trading sessions. So why I'm saying this, because the company is right now trying to take a support at a 20 days moving average, which is roughly around, you can see here, 82,999 basically. But I can see a further fall if it breaks the level of 20 days moving average. It can further fall to the level of 100-day moving average, which comes out to be 78,226. But you can see that there is a level of 80,000, which is a psychological support for the company. And I believe that if you have this particular stock, you can hold it, because there is a boom coming in auto industry again. Once the consumption or once the income stability or inflation goes down, definitely there are chances that auto industry will see a huge uprise from these particular levels. So I guess that's it for today. These were the stocks which I wanted to cover, and one of the biggest news which I wanted to cover today was of CPI inflation data of US only, and which gives a huge relief in the market. And this was expected as well. That's why market bounced back from the level of 15,100, or even like the Dow Jones bounced back really hard from the bottom levels. If you are interested in making position right now, then I believe that yes, you can definitely think about making a position, that good news are coming in from the market. But again, I will recommend you to be a little bit cautious, as you never know what's going to happen next. But with a stop loss of 17,500, you can go long on Nifty for the time being, or you can wait one day. Or even if you want to buy a Nifty50 stocks or other stocks, you can go long on them according to your preferences. I hope you liked today's video, and again, please make sure to share the video and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.